Yes, people, welcome to this new video. I'm DCM. This is an, a project file that I made. This the new track that I'm dropping in 2 weeks. It's called Golden Skies, and I just wanted to let you know how I made this track. I got like 45 tracks here. In the mixer is the same as 37, and so first of all I started with the chords and goes like this. That are the chords. Next, obviously, is the melody. There's the plug melody. So yeah, after I made this, I did the bass. And that's only one layer. I got another layer here. So yeah, that are the basses. This is the lead sound, the first lead sound. With kickstart and EQ. I didn't process it much because it's an silent one preset. So yeah, the melody, you know how it goes. That's the second melody. I layered those two. Then I got the Reese bass. Then after that, the drop chords. It's also a Silence One. Like mostly everything that I do is from Silence One. I also did get a Panomatic in it, an EQ and a kickstart, of course, to sidechain the chords and the melodies and everything. And I think that was no. And then in between the intro and the break and the build up, I got this percussion to let everybody know that there's something new coming. Then after that, I did the kicks. Just 4 on the floor. Then a clap loop. Then it goes like this. Of course, I added some drop claps and some rides. After that, I did some few things like a little snare fill. but you can't hear it right away. After that, here the melody cuts a little bit, and you hear a little bit of the plug only. That lets you know that the second part of the drop is coming. Then I added some percussive loops, and it goes like this. With some risers, of course. And then we go to the build up, because I didn't show you the build up. The build up is simple but effective. We got a pitch, we got some risers, exhausts, downlifters, impacts, another riser, and reverb for the snares. And you can hear the build up coming after this. So yeah, that's that. Then in the second break I did some trap drums. Well, drums. I just did some hi-hats and a clap with the top kick and the snap with an exhaust. That's in the second break, and then it goes again to the build up and the drop. Yeah, that's the program. That's the project file. Of course, I have here some hi-hats loops in the break. And then in the second break also we got also sweeps, down filters for the drop, and the impacts for the drop. And yeah, that's the whole progress. That's the whole track. I hope you liked the video. Maybe I inspired some of you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. This track will come out on the 27th of December, like just after Christmas. A little Christmas gift from me to you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time.